Hi, I'm Veronica, and I'm going to spice it up by introducing myself using marketing plan that we're learning this class. A few facts about me. I was born and raised in Russia. I speak two languages, Russian and English. I've lived in the United States for over 19 years. I am married with two children, son age 8 and daughter age 5. I live in Virginia, but I work in Maryland. Traffic is bad. I currently work at the USU as an administrative assistant to the Dean of Graduate School of Nursing. I'm enrolled at UMGC for my bachelor's in health service management. So I'm going to analyze through SWOT analysis, my career goals, my strengths, my weaknesses, my opportunities, threats, and my biggest why I chose my future career. The plan is to finish my undergraduate and graduate degree. Implement, I'm going to grow and get promoted within GS system. I'm going to sharpen my skills. I'm going to apply for internships. I'm going to look for other opportunities out there. I'm going to build networking and just strong relationships with other professionals in healthcare industry. I'm going to work on building new systems and processes to enhance and improve the organization's efficiency. And then I'm going to monitor and measure the success, failure, and development of those implemented changes. Also collect feedback from internal and external stakeholders. And I'm going to evaluate to produce new plan for upcoming year. That's it. Bye.